Some of the business challenges that ODADAS faced was how do we get information from various different providers that operate independently, and how do we provide them an application that they can input their information and track their payment options to send that back up to the state government. We were having issues doing that. Some were financial, some were staff related, and some were regulations. We ended up partnering with VMware. We were going through the recession, had a lot of issues where our funding was just drying up. And we also had mass staff layoffs throughout the state of Ohio. So the solutions that ODADAS and some of the agencies throughout the state of Ohio partnered with were ThinApp, View, vSphere, and for business continuity we adopted Site Recovery Manager. The vSphere platform helped us bring our physical servers down in number. We found that we were able to have high availability features bundled in with high availability, storage vMotion, VM vMotion. With View, we were able to help our staff put administration in their hand where they could provision desktops instead of in days or hours down to minutes. Once we took on the initiative to virtualize our applications through VMware ThinApp, we found the same benefits. Some other benefits we found that we weren't expecting was compliance through software licensing with ThinApp. When we went to put in the Site Recovery Manager system, it went in rather easily to where we actually built the environment in about a day to 2 days and had everything configured by the end of the week. HP is also our partner for desktops and for server. We utilize the HP Thin Client T5455s, and we also utilize the Blade systems, the C7000. So our environment before VMware and after VMware is a stark difference. Before we had individual servers that were running individual applications. We had just starting a centralized SAN system where all of our storage was located. Had a few applications that took advantage of that. After VMware, it's drastically different. We went from about 30 or 40 servers down to a single blade enclosure system with HP. We now have a business continuity plan that we not only have on paper, but one that we test on a monthly basis, and we know that it does work. We also have an application framework that's able to change dynamically as our customer needs change. In the future, we're looking to build a private cloud for the state of Ohio. This will allow us to break down the walls that we have with each individual agency and start to share information as we need to.